What's up, guys? Welcome to the first trade recap on my channel. I'm going to be documenting my journey to success as an unprofitable day trader and showing you guys that anyone can do it and you just need to work, put that time in. I'm a continuation trader, so I trade towards the draw when we're moving. I want to be trending in a certain direction. But let's review the trade. So we can see for weeks on weeks, we've literally been chopping up and down, up and down, up and down, just in this range, have not moved whatsoever. And then finally, we broke out of the range. So what do I expect to happen after we confirm we're going to go lower by breaking out of the range? Is all of these lows are going to get ran through. So pre-market, we took out these equal lows right here. So I didn't want to target anything low until we confirmed that we were going to go lower. So I just waited for market to open. We had these draws over here, which would be my target for the day. I only wanted to target downside because we're moving lower. I don't try and trade reversals. Trade simplest, easiest stuff. Let's go down to the lower time frame. You can see we're literally 15-minute, literally just been printing to the downside all morning. It's all we want to do. So I'm so confident in these lows getting hit. So market opens. Market opens. We're already retracing up. I'm pretty convicted here. I'm like, okay, we want to go lower. It's got to show me that we want to go lower. So we put in this big displacement candle where I took my entry with a stop loss above the highs. Retrace displacement. That's what I want to see every single time I take a trade. TP at the lows. And we ended up getting break even on this trade. We had a break even at the low, internal low, and got break even. So after that, I was still convicted in these lows getting hit. I just needed a re-entry. So we got a retrace into an actual 5-minute fair value gap. Where's it at? Right here. Retrace into an actual gap this time. Displaced lower, proved to me that price was going to go lower, wanted to seek out the strong liquidity. So I took my entry after we had this big displacement candle with the stop loss above the high, TP down at the low that we were targeting, and we could see it just played out perfectly. I went break even at the internal low because I either want price to flush towards the draw or it's going to reverse off the low and stop me back out, and I don't want that to happen. So I mitigate my risk and move my stop loss to break even, and end up playing out. Wrong account. We've got two funded accounts that we're trying to pass at the moment. They're actually getting rebuild next week, so I'm trying to pass them ASAP. I really don't want to get fucked over by this. Here it is, $930 on the eval. We've got a $1,000 balance on the eval now. We need to make $2,000 more to pass them. Yeah, it's pretty much the trade for today. Not much special, pretty simple trade. Something I take every single time I look to take a trade. Displacement, retracement, displacement towards a good draw on liquidity. Simple, simple, simple. Main thing I want to say though is once we broke out of this range, we can see we just started running all of these lows on the left side. We didn't bounce back up into the range or nothing. If we wanted to go higher and stay in the range, we would have right here. But no, this day failed to go lower or failed to go higher, started pushing lower again, and that gave me the overall conviction and these lows getting hit down here. I'm very confident and very happy with the setup I took. It was very good. Something I would like to take every single time I take a trade. This is awesome. Love this setup. Love this movement. Not the BS we've been having for days before this. You know, a lot of people can trade in this. Some people have different entries and different whatever other than me, but I trade in continuation. So I want to see price actually trending towards where I want price to go, which is the draw on liquidity. And we got that today. And I executed off of it and it played out nice. So that's about it for now. Quick trade recap. I'm going to be documenting my journey. Appreciate you guys if you stay around. But that's the one trade we took this week. We didn't do much. It's been pretty rough. This week was when I took a payout April or February, and then started off two new evals. Thought I was ready for it. I was not. Started just blowing that shit, minus 1,000, minus 500. I was down to my last $500 in the account, and then we revived it, brought it back up with some wins, had up 4 break evens. That was terrible. And then we just took 2 trades the past 2 weeks. Nothing special, nothing fancy. But we got $1,000 in the eval now. I'm gonna try and pass it. This was my XFA. I'll show you guys the stats. I don't really care. It was all February. Nothing crazy. Took an $800 payout. First ever payout after 2 years, by the way. So we're on that grind. We're gonna make this shit happen. It's gonna work out. Just want to do a quick trade recap. Maybe I can help some of you guys. Be free. Feel free to message me. I don't care. I'm down to help you guys. I know a little bit about it. I'm not claiming I'm profitable, but I do know a decent amount about trading. I've been trading for 2 years, so if you guys need any help, feel free to reach out. But I appreciate you guys for watching the first trade recap. Gonna try and hold myself accountable and post one of these every day. I take a trade, no matter win, loss, whatever happens, I'm gonna post it. And just appreciate you guys for sticking around. And I appreciate you guys for watching this first video. More to come. A lot of education as well. So catch you guys in the next video.